Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and this is SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to do just some simple, beautiful, what do you want to call it? Just some glitter nails. I got these two, well, I've got more, but these two just really caught my eye. The two of these together, I think, are just outstandingly beautiful. They're just stunning. This is a silver hollow glitter color. This is Purple Royale glitter color. This is not the hollow. There is a hollow though. This is just beautiful, and I just, you'll see. You'll see. I got two nails. I've got the glue gel by SheModern. I'm going to apply that to these two nails, which are the ring finger and the middle finger. Make sure you get the sides coated real well. Make sure. See, it is Saturday, March the 6th? No, the 7th. Oh my gosh. That's right. Today is my son's 29th birthday. When he wakes up, I will wish him a happy birthday. Woohoo! So here we go with our glue gel, curing that for 30 seconds. I have got a palette here. We're going to tap out some of the silver hollow and the purple royale. It's probably too much of each, but we'll get on. Okay, let's do this one. Let me see. We're going to start at the bottom and work our way up. And we're just going to share this deliciousness all over the nail. This is beautiful. Just beautiful. And the glue gel is very sticky, so it does its job here. It makes everything stick to it. Brush this in a little bit with the brush. I think this is just stunning. What do you think? Oops. I think this is just gorgeous. Really gorgeous, I think. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next is the purple nail. And we are doing the bottom first, working our way up. Working our way up. Now we've got no coverage right there, so that means there was no glue gel on that spot. So I say you want to get your sides real well, or else that happens. Now let's see, get the bare spots. And you don't want that. This is horrible. Here's the purple royal. I'm going to do 2 coats on this one. So we're going to bring in the glue gel again. Put another coat on here. Make sure to get the sides this time. Slide this in the light for 30. There we go. Had to get the sensors that pop on. Tap out what I'm going to need so I'm all ready for when it comes out of the lamp. And we are good to go. If this is your first time here on SheModern Saturday, I hope you're enjoying yourself. I hope you're enjoying yourself so far. We have got Miss Harley Marie set off to the side. This is what our finished mani's going to be. No decals this week, folks. I think this is just beautiful all on its own. Where does it need a decal? So now I'm going to drop the nail all over the place. Try to see which side's the tip. Beautiful, beautiful nail. Beautiful, beautiful nail. I think I've got some of the silver hollow mixed in here because I'm seeing hollow. And this is not hollow. So I think we're getting some of the overflow from the silver on this nail, unfortunately. And here we go with 2 coats of the purple. Sorry if I thought a frame there. Here we go, here we go. Alright, bring Harley Marie back in the frame here. Let's see, where are we on time? Alright. I'm going to top coat. These 3 that I already did are top coated. Getting really low on my top coats. You know when you're low when you're tipping the bottles to the side to get some out. I think this is just beautiful. Purple is my favorite color, so I may be kind of partial. It's up for y'all to the side. I'm going to put some on the thumbs. I think I'm going to pull out some bling. Put just one out there. Put just one. Look at that. Look at these. Let's see what I can pull out. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. I think we got top coat over the nail. There's something there. Trying to get your gem to stay still on the top coat. It's kind of hard sometimes. But you want just perfect. So now I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 60. I'll pause and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back, fresh out of the lamp. Ding. What do you think? Did put a little gem here and here. But I think the silver hollow glitter and the purple royale glitter, I think, are just beautiful. I don't think they need a decal this week. I wanted you to see the deliciousness all for yourself. I hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed. I know this was short and sweet, but I just didn't feel the need to put a sticker in this week, or a decal. I just didn't feel the need. I wanted you to see these and how beautiful they are all on their own. And they are. I think they're just stunning like they are. Maybe a little bit of bling to them and you're good to go. And that'd be that. Whoops. There we go. So, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will please do so now. Please click all on the notification bell so you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Please check out my other videos. I would greatly appreciate that, and I would appreciate a full view. I am trying for my 1K this year, and I do need the watch time. What else can I tell you? Today is March 7th. Up until March 15th, Sunday, you can still enter my giveaway for SheModern's water decals. Check out the SheModern.com so you know what I'm talking about. Check them out here on YouTube. On Instagram, they are she_modern, so you can always go there and check out their artwork, and they have beautiful, beautiful artwork. So I do invite you to do those 2 things. I invite you to check out my birthday giveaway video and enter there. It is for US and international. And enter. The rules are simple. I am going to change them up. People are getting kind of confused, so just enter. If you can share the video, great. If you can't, that's okay too. I'm not going to hold it against you. If you send me subscribers, please let me know from you or them, and then you will get an extra entry. And hey, I'll give them an extra entry as well for subscribing, for new subscribers, but you don't have to. I just wanted you to enter, have fun, get you some water decals from SheModern. So yep, don't forget, check them out, SheModern.com. They also are on Amazon now. They have great, 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 great deals on Amazon. So check them out there. Just search for, oh, I'm getting parched. Hold on. Sorry about that. They have great deals where you can get, I don't know if it's like 10 water decals for $35. And normally they're $7.99 to $8.99 a piece. So that's a really good deal. You're getting a really good bargain there. And they also have the Sugar Crush. Oh, my throat. Oh, excuse me. They also have the Sugar Crush line on there. 2 different sets of decals that you get to pick from for $35 for the water decals. I can't remember the price for the Sugar Crush glitter pigments. Oh, I can't remember. Excuse me, please. I'm having throat issues here. Well, we're going to call this a day. This is my beautiful Manny. Check out SheModern. Check out my birthday giveaway. Ends on March the 15th. I will put the I can't talk. The giveaway video up on the 16th of March on Monday. So you have got a little over a week and a day. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.